Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve the puzzle that is where here is 2, here is 3, here 5 and we have to replace this question mark with the given options 6, 7, 8 and 9. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, and if you have different logic of to solve this, please comment down below. So from 2 we reach 3 and from 3 we reach 5 and from 5 what replace the question mark. So from 2 to 3, 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3. Now 3 times 1 plus 2 is 5. Then 5 times 1 plus 2 is 7. So what replaces the question mark? 7, which is option number B. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.